So let's go through really quickly some other image manipulation tactics. We've got image.transpose, which will rearrange the pixels in a certain way. We can flip it left to right. We can flip it top to bottom. And then we have these two words, transpose and transverse, which do a weird combination of rotating and flipping. I'm going to show you. So let's look at transpose, or flip top to bottom first. So flip top to bottom, we'll flip it that way. Okay. And then flip left right, we'll flip it that way. You almost can't tell on that one, but the boat's going the different way. Here's the weird ones. These are tougher to describe. Transpose, if you'll notice, flips it left to right and then rotates it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So notice the boat is over here. So it flips it left to right and then rotates it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Basically, what it's doing is it is flipping it on which corner? I think it is, yeah, you're taking, this is tough. You're taking this corner and putting it up here, basically. So it's really weird. And then transverse is the opposite of that, or the analog to it, sort of the opposite. You're flipping it horizontally and then rotating it clockwise. So you're taking this corner and flipping it up here. Why would you want to do that? I don't really know. I've never really used that in any kind of thing, but you may want to analyze images a certain way, and doing that operation might help you. Okay, so